Okay, welcome back. The next design will be this house design that's here. Okay, we'll start with a rectangle tool. If I hide M in my keyboard, I can create a small rectangle like that and add this color and this color. Okay, fine. After that, I want to create another rectangle, so I can duplicate it by click on V in my keyboard, hold Option or Add to create a new rectangle in the top. Let me place it here and increase the size like that. If I hide A to direct selection tool, I can hide S to create this design and decrease like that. Okay, after that I can use line segment tool and create a line segment here. Okay, increase and change color for this black, this color, and now I can duplicate it by hold Option or Alt, duplicate in the top by hold Shift. Also, and Command D to repeat action. Okay, after that I can select all like that with Shift M. Shape builder tool, I can hold Alt or Option to delete those are here. Okay, fine, and I'll create the same design like this here. Okay, with rectangle tool. First I must create a rectangle in the top and the bottom like that. Okay, fine, add this color. Okay, and in the center I must create another rectangle like that. Okay, with pen tool I can add one anchor point with a direct selection tool. I can do one click, hold my click and drag it like that. With rectangle tool I can create a rectangle here. Okay, with direct selection tool I can select this and this, hold and this, hold my click and drag it like that. Okay, let me place it right. Okay, with V selection tool I can select my shape, hold A to reflect tool, go there, hold Alt or Option, do one click, choose vertical and click on copy. With V selection tool I can select both, Shift M to shape builder tool, hold my click to make them, go there. Okay, fine. Okay, after that I want to choose a rectangle tool and create a first rectangle here. Okay, I must duplicate it in the top. Duplicate in the top by hold Option or Alt. Okay, after that I can duplicate again in the top by hold Option or Alt, reduce this value and do it big. Okay, and use these two, hold Command to click. I want to deselect and create a line segment like that. Okay, fine, with V. Okay, I can center it and go there. With section tool I can create first a rectangle like that. With the selection tool, one click here, run. With a rectangle tool again, you can create a rectangle like that. Okay, with line segment, I can create a line segment. Okay, after that I want to select all here, 1, 2, 3, and duplicate them, one here and one here. Okay, fine. After that I want to use a rectangle tool with M, create a rectangle here, add a color, same color, maybe like this. I can use Adobe tool to copy this color. Okay, and do it. Command X to cut it. Select those are here. Command E to paste them back. Okay, and we have this design. Let me do it a little dark. Okay, fine. This is the second design. I drop it tool. I want to copy this color. Okay, I can do the same for the here. I drop it tool to copy this color. Okay, if I want do one click here and change color for something like that, this color for wood color. Okay, nice. This is our second sample design. Command G to group them and place it here and decrease the value. Let's go for the next design, which will be the big house, the level 3.